Hey, what's going on, guys? We're hanging out. We're hanging out in the sea right now. Look at that. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're usually halfway over the sea. Basically like a channel going out over there. So, this is awesome. Walk out here on a slow wind. It's going like 90 kilometers per hour, maybe 100. Out here in the middle of a snowstorm. Your boot! Ah! There. Oh. You guys good? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, well, you're Andrew. Okay. I'll probably upload this to YouTube. It'll be wind. Can't hear me. Oh no. Sorry. smell the sea.
What?
I can smell the sea.
Let's go.
Again, sorry guys if you can't hear my voice. I can't proper frostbite. It's very cold. Another part of my hand that is protected is the part of me which is holding my phone. So there's no wind right now.
Good.
Hope you guys like this video.
Oh my
Please rate,
gosh,
comment,
I'm
and
so
subscribe
freezing.
today.